জানতে চাও তোমাকে চাই তোমাকে চাই Like, I know you like the UK accent. Don't lie to me. Mashona, I'm a minor. But guys, we're smashing it. Everyone's commenting on a video saying, thanks for £2 million for the mortgage. Like, don't worry, I know I paid everyone's mortgages. He saved me from a car nearly hitting into me. Yeah, I've done that. Guys, you know what to do. You know what to do. But guys, that slipped up. I said in the last video, I want your dad's number, and she said, Abunai. I'm so sorry. Wallahi, I'm so sorry. Like, I didn't mean like that. I didn't know. But look, I want you. Like, I hear her up in the DM saying, hi, Shona. I'll fly you up to the UK. Even though I don't have the money. I don't have the taka. I'm a taka to na, innit? But it's okay.